Follow these 5 tips for a pig farm success, and you'll love the results. 1. Good nutrition. Food for your pigs should have all the right nutrients, including proteins, calories, vitamins, and minerals. They need enough to grow and thrive. 2. Cleanliness and hygiene. Maintaining a clean and sanitary pig farm helps keep pigs healthy. Clean your pens regularly and disinfect feeders and waterers on a regular basis. 3. Health checking. Keep an eye on your pigs and any signs of illness or stress. Contact your veterinarian if you see anything unusual. 4. Comfortable living. Provide a safe and comfortable living environment for your pigs, with enough space and proper ventilation. 5. Keep records updated. Record the feeding habits, breeding happenings, and any health-related treatments. This will help you see how your pigs are doing and make smart decisions. Don't forget to follow us for more important tips. Follow these guidelines, and you'll help your pigs stay healthy, happy, and productive.